Hello everyone, today we continue making dumplings using GAC fruit. You can see this orange color is natural with pork stuffing, very delicious. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. It means a lot to me, your reason I'm here. I like to share everything I know with you. This is a recipe. You can stop your device and get it down. First, I make Yudane. Yudane is Japanese term of making equal part of flours and warm or hot water. I use 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of warm water. So I mix thoroughly and I will rest it for 4 hours up to overnight in the fridge. When we use Yudane or Tenjong, Tenjong is Chinese term. With Tenjong you need to cook the dough, but Yudane you don't need to. So now I'm mixing the main dough. I have half cup of all-purpose flour and I use 2 tablespoons of water. Seems very small amount of water, but you don't worry, because the time we add GAC fruit, it will be wet. I always want to make my food naturally, so I don't like to use chemical or food coloring. So I always try to use some natural dye, like in this case GAC fruit, GAC. If you're not familiar, you can Google it to find out. GAC is a vine that can stretch very high up or long lengthen, and then it bears fruit. The fruit has red or orange hue skin, but the inside is those meat. You can see in my hand right now that I extracted from the inside of the GAC fruit. They are very good for you. People call it superfood. Now I mix my dough with the GAC. Now I added the Yudane. When you add Yudane to your dough, the dough will be like more gelatinous, and it don't have the rough dough texture. When you make dumpling, that's what you want to. So I already mixed up and now I let it rest for 30 minutes. And 30 minutes is up. Now I will roll my dough out and divide. So the texture is very good for me right now, so I don't want to add any more flour to it. So I will use cornstarch for bench flour, because it's a little sticky and wet right now, so use cornstarch is helping. I divide my dough into 12 pieces. This is average size. If you like bigger dumpling or smaller dumpling, you can divide accordingly. You can make it into 10 or 16 or very tiny. So right now I divide my log into halves and then halves again and then 3 for each one. And you can see my dough are coated with cornstarch, so it's white there, but when you steam it, it will become orange color. So I roll it out flat. Remember, use cornstarch so that when you stack them, they not stick to each other. And that's it. You do until you have your own dough ready. Now for this shape, I cut my round piece dough into 2 pieces, and you have each type, and I put the stuffing inside and I press on around to make sure they not burst during cooking. And I press the end together, and it make a very fun shape design. About the pork stuffing, you can refer to my other videos. I have a lot of dumplings in my channel, and you can use any stuffing recipe. That's it, very easy. You put the stuffing on and then press around to secure them, and then press the end together. Remember, when you fold the first time, you don't fold flat, you fold with a accessory at the other side. I hope you get it, and it looks very nice to me. Now they are ready for steaming. I like the shape of them. Now I use the bamboo steamer. If you don't have bamboo steamers like I have, you can use other steamer, but make sure you put the cloth under your cover so that the indentation, the water don't drop down on your dumplings. You just steam for 6 or 8 minutes, and that's it, done. Now you are invited to taste with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. See you soon. Bye bye.